Have you ever thought about how Google Maps finds the fastest route home in traffic? Or how a music app can search through millions of songs less than in a second? These sounds like magical, right? But it actually comes down specifically two things: data structures and algorithms. And I would say these are the backbones of whole software world. Hi, I'm Chetana. I'm second year information and computer engineering student. In this video playlist, I will break down how these concepts actually work and what is algorithm actually does. We're gonna look behind the scenes and demystify how these concepts really work. When we start learning code, your primary goal should be run the program or software without crashing or freezing it. But have you ever wondered what if your software or app has 100 to million users at the same time? Can it handle very efficiently? If your code is inefficient, it will definitely crash down or freeze it out. Think of a data structure like a massive storage room. You're basically organizing your information in a context, whether we stack it up or line it up so the computer can grasp what exactly it needs. So what is an algorithm means then? An algorithm simply means a set of instructions that a system follows. It's a logic that we are search step by step, sort or change that data without wasting time. So it's basically reducing wasting time. Basically, knowing a programming language, that means you know how to code. But understanding data structures and algorithms in a deeper context, you know how to engineering and improving its performance, reliability, and keep it professional. Over the next few videos in this playlist, I'm going to break down how these concepts actually use in the real world. At the end of this playlist, you'll be gaining up knowledge how to use this and how to write the logic, starting with linear structures, queues, and stacks, and then moving into linked list, trees, and graphs. And thanks for watching. Let's get started.